My name's Peter Carroll and I'm from PNS Backhoe Hire, which is based at Bellbird Park, a suburb of Ipswich, and I work with Case machinery most of my life, and I do mostly foundations and drainage in the housing industry. This Case Backhoe that I'm driving at the moment is probably one of the best ones that I've ever had. It's got great breakout power, fast hydraulically, loading trucks, digging foundations, trenches, quick as, easy to operate, and you know, just a great all-round machine. I'm so happy with it. EEA, since they've taken over the Case dealership up here in Queensland, have been excellent. I've had no problems with them whatsoever. All my dealings with EEA have been great, 5-star I'd say. I've had nothing. You know, they've helped me all the way. Whenever I have an issue, which is not very often at all, they bend over backwards to help me, which is good. And yeah, they've been fantastic, mate. I can't fault them. The boys in parts and service, again, I've never had any problems with them. They've always had my parts on time, all the time. I've never waited for parts. The boys in the shed back at EEA are great, mate. Every time I ring them up, nothing's a problem. Same as the service. The service department's unbelievable. If I ring up with a problem, it's solved. There's no mucking around, just they fix it. All good. With EEA, nothing seems to be a hassle. You know, it can get a bit stressful for yourself now and again, especially being an owner operator. But no, I've never had a problem with EEA, and I think they're great. EEA sort of take over the Case dealership here. They also brought along a couple of familiar faces with them that kept the before owner going, I suppose. But those guys that EEA took on, they're great to work with, and I find them easy going. Nothing's a hassle for them. The guys in the workshop, service manager, they're all great. I just have no troubles with them whatsoever. I've already recommended EEA. I think I've sold them 3 machines or 3 or 4 machines. I've always put their name out there and recommend them to anyone that's after a machine, and I think it's paid off. Yeah. A couple of my mates have bought a few machines, so it's good.